Hi, finally we
Yeah,
meet.
I think I was not able to add you.
Yeah, I don't know why. I was also trying to join, but it was not
Yeah.
happening.
And how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm great. You look really good. I like the eyeliner you're wearing.
Thank you. After the whole Big Boss frenzy.
So are
Yes. Tell
you
me.
enjoying the weather outside? Out of the Big Boss house?
Uh, yes, I'm enjoying it, but I think I would have been happy if I was in the house.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would have had a good time with all of them.
Yeah. Who was the one person you were like really enjoying within the Big Boss house?
आई थिंक लव एंड विशाल, और ये बात मैं बोल बोल के थक गई हूँ कि उन लोग के साथ मैंने जितना मजा किया, जितना मस्ती किया, आई थिंक it's been like amazing, and I've had a great time with them, and it was really fun.
Okay. And do you like really? What is this one thing you miss that used to happen inside the house? And after coming back, you're like, yo, I miss this.
आई मिस, मतलब मैं जो उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर पाई, और जो हम लोग का मतलब हम लोग जो उनके साथ, I miss the time that I spent with Love and Vishal. In terms of like all the happy moments I spent with them at night, all the, I'll just get emotional thinking about it.
Oh, so sweet. Everybody's asking you one question is that how is Vishal? How is Vishal? I think they really like your and Vishal's bond. I could just see that in the comments
Uh,
also.
Vishal is like my brother. मैं यही कहूँगी. He is like my brother. I have one brother, and I have found two more brothers in the show, and
Oh,
I think Vishal मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही खास है, because जब मैंने उसको ऐसे रोते हुए देखा when I left, and even Kataria like was all teared up, तो मेरे लिए ना ये सबसे बड़ी जीत मेरी ये थी कि यो मतलब they are like hardcore,
yeah.
hardcore boys, और उनकी आंखों में आंसू लाना बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Yeah,
So
I think they
I think
really like you all had a very beautiful bond in the show, and we loved seeing it.
थैंक यू. पता नहीं वो बॉन्ड मतलब 17 days ही चला. आई रियली विश कि कम से कम 1 week और 2 weeks और चलता, तो फिर मेरे को थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम मिलता उनके साथ. बट ऑफ कोर्स बाहर आके तो हम लोग टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे ही.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll meet them outside, and you all will have a more wonderful time.
Yes, of
What's
course.
the first thing you did when you were out of the Big Boss house?
uh, the first thing I did was call my husband, and I came back. Actually, सबसे पहली चीज मैंने ये पूछा कि बाहर वाला कौन है जिसने मेरे को बचाया.
Yeah.
That was my first question. I did not have any other question. मेरे को किसने बचाया? फिर मुझे पता चला लोगों से कि it was love. And I was like, OMG, मैंने मतलब सोचा भी नहीं था कि लव होगा. मैं तो सना मकबूल सोच रही थी.
Yeah.
Because वो gluten free
Yeah,
आटा
yeah.
की वजह से, तो love is playing it superbly as the बार वाला. अभी भी कोई कह नहीं सकता, किसी का शक उस पे गया ही नहीं
Yeah.
अभी दोबारा. So I think that Lavkesh is doing a great job as the barwala, and Vishal is of course holding his ground. और मुझे लगता है कि विशाल जो है वो पूरी तरह से एकदम क्लासी तरीके से हैंडल कर रहा है सिचुएशन.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
I mean,
So
he's dealing it with in a more dignified manner.
yeah, we agree to this.
Yes.
What was your reaction when you got to know that you're doing Big Boss? Did you always wanted to do Big Boss, or it was never in your plans?
No, I always wanted to do it. जो लोग ये कहते हैं कि they didn't want to do it, I think most of them are lying, because I think most of the people want to do Big Boss because it's a instant fame and name and recognition, and I think it's so much that you get from the show, and it is by far the most popular reality show ever.
Yeah.
मतलब there is no bigger reality show. इससे बढ़कर कुछ है नहीं बिग बॉस से बढ़कर. In terms of reality show, कोई भी आप ले लो, OTT ले लो या आप मेन सीजन ले लो, बिग बॉस ऐसा ब्रांड है कि इतना it's an iconic show. मतलब just the fact when I joined it, I got
Hmm.
so much of like recognition just from joining the show.
Yeah,
You know.
we saw your lot of videos of your tarot card reading with celebrities were going so viral.
Yes.
Like I saw so many on like Endemol's page. People were tagging us. Like the videos were really going viral.
Wow, thank you so much. Yeah, so बस वही है कि like मुझे इतना recognition मिला, मुझे इतना fame मिला, name मिला, सब कुछ मिला just by being on the show. And मैं बहुत blessed हूँ कि मैं उन readings कर पाई. Love और विशाल की भी readings
Yeah.
मैंने काफी किया.
You did
मैंने
it
उनको काफी
inside the
guide
house,
किया.
right? In one of the episodes we saw.
I did one reading also for them, जो बहुत ही weird है कि दोनों ने एक ही कार्ड चुना out of all the 78 cards, and that was the Ace of Swords. And yeah, I think it was like amazing कि दोनों कार्ड्स जो थे they both matched. तो मैंने कहा कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े रहो. You guys have the same vibe, same energy. एक like मैंने जो कार्ड्स में भरा कि उनका लॉयल्टी एक दूसरे के साथ है.
Yeah.
And amazing. So I think that it was really, really good on their part.
Did you ever like predicted for yourself that you would go inside the Big Boss house? That is
No.
never like you never thought that that would happen.
No, no, I never predicted for myself. I never predicted for myself in the show. I never predicted before going into the show. I never predicted when I came out. कुछ भी नहीं. So I could not predict. Although मेरे friends को लगता था कि शायद मुझे मिलेगा show. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, and मेरा एक astrologer friend जो दिल्ली में है तनुज, वो बोलता है कि मैं उसको कभी credit नहीं देती हूँ. तो आज मैं credit देना चाहूंगी कि तनुज वो बहुत confident था कि ये शो आपको मिलेगा और आपको यही सीजन मिलेगा और आप यही सीजन में जा रहे हैं.
Wow.
एंड आई एम लाइक अच्छा वाओ ओके, क्योंकि मतलब अपने लिए मैं इतना देखती नहीं हूँ, बट वो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट था. एंड कपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स वर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. दे जस्ट हैड दैट फीलिंग, and my husband also said the same. Samay Thakur, he's joined the live, otherwise I have to
Yeah, I
give him that.
also.
Yeah. So yeah, he's my husband ने भी बोला था कि आप जा रहे हो, मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग है, इंट्यूशन है. तो मैंने कहा आपको किसने बताया? तो बोला मेरे भगवान ने बताया कि तुम जा रहे हो.
So sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
So I think it was everybody's good wishes. It was their good prayers. And I really prayed कि मैं उस शो में अच्छा कर पाऊँ. Once I knew that I'm going on board, I think मेरे लिए टाइम थोड़ा कम था. But yeah, and shout out to all my friends also who believed in me. Thank you so much. You know who you are, guys, and तुम लोगों ने बहुत support किया. So yeah.
so sweet. So when you did the card reading inside the house, whose card really surprised you?
Surprised me, matlab in a positive way, was
In a
Shivani's.
in any way, like in a positive way also, or whatever.
Yeah, I think it was Shivani's because Shivani was like उसका एक अंदर एक बिजनेस प्लान और ये सब उसके दिमाग में था. एंड दिमाग में है आगे जाके उसको बिजनेस करना है, पार्लर करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. So I think all those things about Shivani, I would have never
Yeah.
guessed that at 21 she's so ambitious.
Yeah.
So I think शिवानी का मतलब या आई थिंक शिवानी का रीडिंग काफी वो था. कृतिका का भी मैंने रीडिंग किया, अरमान का भी रीडिंग किया, पायल का नहीं किया इंडिविजुअली, रणवीर का किया, दीपक का किया, ऑफ कोर्स लव एंड विशाल का बहुत रेगुलरली किया, एंड चंद्रिका का किया, एंड काफी लोगों का किया, पौलमी का किया.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think it was a lot of people who I kind of read for in the house. Barring one or two, I think everybody का reading किया. वो जो short
So
time.
sweet. But if you could get somebody from the outside world inside the house with you, who would it be?
If I could get somebody from the outside world,
Inside
get
the
something or
house with you.
someone.
Yeah, something or someone is also okay. Or that
Actually,
one thing also which
I
is very
wouldn't.
close to your heart.
I wouldn't want anyone to deal with those politics that I dealt with. So मैं किसी को वहां नहीं लेके जाऊंगी, but मैं ये बोलूंगी कि I would have loved to take my prayer book. मुझे सबसे हैरान चीज ये हुआ कि मुझे मेरे फोन की बिल्कुल याद नहीं आई, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Yeah,
Not
but that's a
at all.
nice talks, you know. Though you all had that phones without the apps and all, but not
Yeah,
like
but
your
actually, like using the phone,
yeah.
not at all.
You are
Not at
actually
all.
a phone addict person?
Yes. All my friends who know me in real life know this about me. मेरे हाथ में continuous phone रहता है. 90% मैं तुरंत respond करती हूँ. And अभी थोड़ा शो के बाद disconnect करना शुरू किया है, because I just feel that I got so habituated to not using the phone. But
Yeah.
मेरा दूसरा issues है, clients and ये and वो, तो वो सब चलता रहता है. But appointments and clients. But I'm so addicted to replying
Yeah. I think
or
that has
checking.
with this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I was
But
very touched कि मुझे पता चला कि मेरे वोटिंग में when I was first nominated, विशाल और लव ने मेरे लिए अपील किया था
yeah.
टीवी पे उसी वक्त. And I was also very touched कि विशाल, मेरे को पता चला कि कटारिया की मम्मी ने मेरे लिए अपील किया to vote for me.
So sweet.
So when I was in this thing, मुझे लोगों ने बताया और कुछ बोला कि कटारिया की मम्मी ने आपको सपोर्ट किया. And I really, these are the things that I've earned from the house. अगर आप देखें तो मैंने इज्जत, प्यार और शौहरत सब कमा लिया घर से. It's just मैं ट्रॉफी नहीं कमा पाई और मैं वो इतना लंबा नहीं खेल पाई जितना I wanted to. बट जो मेरा जर्नी था, आई थिंक उसमें मैंने काफी कुछ कमा लिया. आई मीन जब मैं बाहर आई, आई वॉज वेरी डिसओरिएंटेड. मैं बहुत अपसेट थी, मैं बहुत रो रही थी. आई थिंक आई वॉज इन शॉक for few days. I was in a very bad mental state क्योंकि I think मेरा ना elimination came as a shocker. Because I think I was not expecting it that day. Although I had a bad feeling, but एक होता है ना, आप फिर भी positive रहना चाहते हैं. And I think जो हुआ था वो दिन विशाल and अरमान and लव के साथ, I was there that time. ये controversy उसी वक्त हुआ था. तुरंत within 1 hour eviction हो गया. So it was a very tough time for all of us because Vishal was completely broken, Love was completely lost, and maybe like मैं shocked थी. So when I came out, I remember मेरे log out interview में मैं इतना रो रही हूँ in my log out interview because I'm like, I just want to be there with them right now. मुझे मतलब eviction की इतनी नहीं पड़ी है जितना कि मैं उन लोग को छोड़ के आई हूँ ये time पे.
Yeah.
And I didn't have a choice. मतलब मेरे लिए रुकना भी option नहीं था. And I just saw, I could see it in their eyes when I was leaving, that sadness. And वो मैं moment कभी अपने पूरे life में नहीं भूलूंगी कि क्योंकि वो reality दिखता है.
True.
If you are able to see that, like in someone's eyes for you, that love, that respect, that bond, I think आपने एक सच्चा रिश्ता कमा लिया.
Yeah.
So I think when I came out of the house, first few days I was feeling very bad that I was not with them. बहुत कुछ हो रहा था. And I think I was very disoriented. And I think जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि eviction मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा shocker था. And I think when it happened, and why it was a shocker, because it came from the housemates and not from the public.
Yeah, correct.
So I think मेरे लिए ना वो इतना बड़ा eye opener था. Already मैंने देख लिया था चंद्रिका के time पे सब लोग चंद्रिका को support कर रहे थे. Between me, Paulomi, I was the second and Paulomi was the third. But ज्यादातर लोग I think even Paulomi को भी support कर रहे थे. I think मैं बच गई only because of love. There's no way without love I would have survived. Because अगर housemate के हाथ होता तो public.
Yeah, correct.
So I think मेरे लिए ना वो इतना बड़ा eye opener था. Already मैंने देख लिया था चंद्रिका के time पे को support कर रहे थे. Between me, Paulomi, I was the second and Paulomi was the third. But ज्यादातर लोग I think even Paulomi को भी support कर रहे थे.